Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification button so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. It really does mean a lot to me. Today we're going to be doing this everyday glam glowy makeup using a palette and some Stila products and a really beautiful lipstick. So if you want to see how I created this glowy, golden, everyday glam, whatever you want to call it, makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, we're going to prime, and because I want this makeup to be nice and glowy and glam, I'm going to go in with the Primark Hydrate Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It's kind of got a creamy consistency to it. And it really does give you a nice glow, so that's why I'm going to use that one today. And then, as always, I'm going to go in with some concealer just to get a blank canvas for our eyeshadow that we're going to use. And I'm going to use this Focallure Big Cover Concealer in the shade O2 Natural. And then I'm just going to set that with some loose powder. So for eyeshadow today, we're going to use this palette by Storybook Cosmetics. It's the Wizardry and Witchcraft palette. And it has these lovely shades in. So because we're doing a glowy, glam, everyday makeup look, it's all going to be kind of neutral. And we're also going to use these Stila Shimmering Heights Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the shade Kitten, which is a beautiful golden champagne colour. Okay, so on a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take this colour here called Charms. And I'm just going to take that in the crease. And then on top of that colour, I'm going to take this shade here called Broomstick. And that's going to go on the outer third of the eyelid, and I'm also going to bring it into the crease. And we're also just going to bring that shade underneath the lower lash line as well. So I'm now going to go in with the shade Kitten by Stila. And I'm just going to apply that all where the brown colour isn't. And once it's dried, we're going to blend the edge of it into the brown. I don't know why I whispered that bit. While that's drying, we're going to do the other side. So I'm kind of just tapping the excess over the edge of that Stila colour, just to help it blend in to the eye look. Okay, and then I'm going to do the rest of the face, and today I am going to use the Primark Glow foundation. I know it seems like all I use at the moment is Primark foundations, but that's because I bought 3 foundations when I went to Primark and I need to try them. I mean, I have ordered some other foundations, but I ordered the wrong shades, so I can't use them. I'm going to use this one. This is in the shade Nude Beige. And it actually comes with like a dropper, so you unscrew it and it's got a dropper there. So we're going to apply this with a beauty blender. The dropper doesn't pick a lot up all of the time, which is annoying. Yeah, I did get on my top. One thing I've noticed is that I'm having to work this foundation. Like it's kind of separating here a little bit and here. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with concealer for under the eyes. I'm going to use the same concealer that I used earlier. Now I'm just going to set that all in place with some loose powder. But because we do want to glow a little bit with this look, I'm not going to set the whole entire face heavily, because we want the primer and the foundation to be able to do its job. Glow. And then we're going to bronze and contour with the same product, and we're going to use the Body Shop Honey Bronze bronzer in the shade 03, and we're going to use that on a kabuki brush. And then to highlight, we're going to use the Primark Opal Highlight and Glow palette. And we are going to use the shade Spotlight, which is this really lovely golden one here. I'm going to use that on a fan brush. I really like this palette for highlight. It is absolutely lovely. All the different kind of highlights that you would want on a day-to-day basis, and it was only £5 from Primark. They are brilliant for makeup. And if you want to see a full face of their makeup, I do have a video on it. I will link it down below. But basically, I was just so impressed by their makeup. That foundation is not sticking to my nose very well. I would say that that is my least favourite Primark foundation that I've tried so far, just because it separates a little bit on my cheeks and my nose, and it really annoys me when foundation does that. So anyway, okay, we've got our glow on. We are glowing in all the right places. Now let's continue with eyes. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I am going to use my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. And then I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Earthquake just on my waterline. And then we're going to do a little bit of a winged liner on the top. And I'm going to use the Bourjios liner, felt tip eyeliner in black. Went a little bit mad on that because, oh, I don't even know why, it just happened. Anyway, gonna need to tie that up a little bit. That's a bit crazy. Oh no, now I have to match it. I think that's as close as we're gonna get. I don't think they match, but nothing more that I can do. Hey, I really want to make lashes work. How do I do it? Please, someone tell me, how do I do this? I bought some lashes from Primark. You would have seen me try and fail lashes in my previous video. I'm going to try these ones. They're the sultry ones by Primark. Are they supposed to be that stuck to the damn packaging? Do this, because I've seen people do this. So it must serve a purpose. I think it needs to be trimmed a little bit. Oh, thought I had them. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on. I'm going to use the False Affair mascara by Primark. Oh, just a little bit, right? Like, you don't need a lot, am I right? Let it go tacky, I suppose. Okay, I'm just going to try and put this on now. Okay, so no, I need to look down. This is stressful. Okay. But my own lashes keep getting in the way. God, I'm getting glue all over the lashes. Why can't I do this? Okay, so look down. I don't want to move in case it pings off. Oh. Okay, but look, I've got a lash on. I actually put a lash on. That's the first time I've ever been able to do that. I don't know. Do these lashes look okay? Do they look odd? I mean, I know they were only £1 from Primark, and this is just a practice run for me, but not sure, guys, not sure. Just we're gonna let them settle, I suppose, and we're gonna do lips. Okay, so I think I might try this. At first I thought I was gonna do like a nude lip, but I think that is the typical lip to what you'd normally see with this look. So I'm gonna try this one. It's a NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Teddy. I think it's too dark. Too dark, it's not glowy enough. Is it normal to feel like you've just, like you've got something there, or are you supposed to not be able to feel them? Okay, we're gonna try this combo. We're gonna put some clear gloss on the lips first with nothing on. Them. And then we're going to go over the top with this Ciate lipstick in the shade Spark. It's a gorgeous, sparkly one. And we are definitely glowing now. That is a beautiful combo. Clear gloss and this lovely lipstick in the shade Spark. And then we are going to use some of the Glow Setting Spray by Primark. And that is the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. It really does mean a lot to me. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification so that you are notified when I upload my videos. I currently have a schedule of uploading 2 a week, and that's working for me so far. So that's what I'm going to continue to do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.